In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana to USDT on Bybit. To do this, open up the Bybit app or website and click on Assets in the bottom right. Now from here you want to go and click on Convert, and at the top you need to set it to Solana. So for me right now it's Bitcoin, just click on whatever it says for you. And then from the list you want to select Sol, which is Solana. Then at the bottom for me it already says USDT. If it's something else for you, just do the same process but now set it to USDT. Now at the top choose how much you would like to convert. So I'll just click max, and then you can see how much USDT you will get. Now you can just click quote and then click confirm, and now it will swap your Solana for USDT. So just wait for it to finish up. And then you can see conversion complete. If I now view my assets, you can see the money is now in USDT. So that's how to swap Solana to USDT on Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.